You are going to love the 2020 Audi Sq5. The Audi Sq5 does things you'd never expect from an SUV. This Sq5 has impressive acceleration and comes with a top-notch interior and sporty handling. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, front suspension type, strut, regenerative braking system, power brakes, braking assist. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.